Naka-pajama, tas nakasamba. Ganda. Smile! 1, 2, 3. Ah!
Lamig!
O, yabang no. Kahit siya lang mag-isa, oh. 1, 2, 3. Try nyo dito sa Damandalan Nook. Sige mo kay Lola. Dapat dito rin kayo, paaraw kayo, oh.
Ako kanina po ako, paaraw na ako dito.
Magpaaraw muna kayo dito. Sakto 6 o'clock, oh. Diyan muna kayo, stay muna kayo dyan. Wow, ganda.
Tapos landscape po.
Ganda. Sunrise?
Opo. Kanina.
Buti aga nyo nagising.
Aga niya yan, nagising din ako kahit alam kung may tao.
Diyan muna kayo, stay muna kayo dyan.
Used to get my hair done, used to have my nails long, used to wearing makeup every day. Used to rush to work and have no time for fun, and spend half of my life on full highways. Then the world closed down, stuck inside this town, home with the family, all new reality. 4 walls and a door, nothing's like before, you and me and no distractions.
I wanted to wake up at 8.
4 kasi yung nagigising, ma.
Capital letter headed.
Parang walang can opener. Arte-arte yung mga pangluto ngayon. Pink na pink yung mga pangluto natin ngayon. Pink and gold. Ha? Atay, pakipuntahan mo na, please. Baka malaglag. Yun na naman siya. Sabi sa'yo eh.
Bakit?
Bakit kanya niya sa akin?
Sabi ko na sa'yo, yun daw ang kagabihan ng matanda.
Ano tanong yung iba?
Pag yung baby pa lang nakakain na daw ng poop.
Sabi ng matanda.
Nakakain kasi ng poop si mami nung baby pa siya.
What? Mommy ate what? 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 Why would you eat poop?
Bumali ko. Baka hindi ako pinapakain ng lola mo. Nang nakita ko.
Gumit naman sa
Pero may diaper ako. Ay, lamping lang kasi nung dati.
Lamping lang nung araw.
Kaya daw ako talsikin ng mantika, guys, dahil nakakain ako ng poops nung baby ako.
Pero hindi naman. Ang ginawa ko nung hugas ako ng hugas.
There's the online store.
Everything.
Ang galas dapat.
Kain na! Ay, wala pa palang rice.
Then the world closed down, stuck inside this town, home with the family, all new reality. 4 walls and a door, nothing's like before, you and me and no distractions. So let's just keep it simple. There's so much we can do at home. Build a fort in the living room, have a pillow fight, grilled cheese in our bed, and look at stars and eyes. Keep it simple. Disconnect the telephone, rip up all the calendars, cancel every plan, catch up on The Bachelor. We'll still laugh again the day we kept it simple. Always used to worry, always in a hurry. Let all of the minutes just fly by. Focus on the wrong things, double tapping, scrolling. Fall asleep while asking myself why. Then the world closed down, stuck inside this town. Home with the family on new reality. Four walls and a door, nothing's like before. You and me and no distractions. So let's just keep it simple. There's so much we can do at home. Build a fire in the living room, have a pillow fight, grilled cheese in our bedroom. Look at stars and ask.
Open natin to, open. Wow!
Nice view.
Wow! Hi, pretty Ollie! Ang pretty naman! Magsuswimming! Mommy! Sa Shein lang yan eh. Ollie! Mag-swimming kayo. Huwag mo tanggalin. Paano peace? Peace! Swimming ka? Lulusot ka dyan sa upuan eh. Naku, chocolate yung nakita. No.
Without my glasses, huh?
I don't know.
Hindi ka, yan mo sa face.
And it's much bigger. Think.
Ayun dun, may stairs dyan. Pababa.
Nala.
Tignan nyo guys yung outfit ko. Paano? Nakalimutan ko magdala ng tsinelas. Nakapajama, tas nakasamba.
Ano ba yan? May bruise ako sa feet ko.
Ha?
May bruise ako sa feet.
May bruise?
Opo.
Bakit?
Parang bruise, I think.
Bakit may
yung,
bruise?
Parang yung bed.
Oo, yung
I
kagabi.
kept on hitting on it. Why is it? I thought it would become like soft and not hard.
Ganda! Yan. Dinala ko lang to para kina Ollie, Louie, Ai. Medyo mainit na guys. Anong oras na kasi? 8 a.m. Kalimutan mo yung shoes mo, Ollie.
Wala yung dala.
Hindi, nandun. Nasa taas. Thank you. Welcome. Di ba mainit? Buti hindi mainit yung semento. Wow! Wow, Ollie! Chummy, chum.
Daddy, it's not working. I put so many.
Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy. Oy, 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 oy.
What are you doing at it? Please!
1, 2, 3.
Sit down.
Wow! Ollie! Oh, so pretty! Ollie! Swimming? Swimming? Smile! 1, 2, 3. Smile, Ollie! Nainggit siya. Gusto niya mag-swimming. Swimming ka na?
Dito, I'm gonna shower. Let's go.
Okay. Tatingin na game. 1, 2, 3. Smile! 1, 2, 3. Smile! Hello, Ollie!
Wash.
Yabang ka na, di ka natakot dyan, di ba? Dati takot eh.
Oh!
Kasi nasa Tagaytay tayo eh. Paano yung sunblock? Patingin.
Bakit? White na white ba?
Pa-twilight na yan, ah. Edward?
Ang lamig kasi. Splash! Splash!
Ollie, look! Ollie, count, count!
Brrrr.
I need.
Parang may lamok. Kung kang kay Oli.
Flash at it!
Bayan the wheel! Ow! Sakit!
Namamalo. Ay, ang galing nga. Layo nung narating.
Again. Wait, what?
Swimming.
1, 2, 3, smile! Ali!
Peace.
Ang ganda dito. Picture lang kita man.
Lamig.
I slip!
It's okay.
Lika ma.
Lamig.
It's not that cold when you get more used to it.
Oo, yeah.
Bye.
Basa ka rin.
Okay, splash me.
Ganun. Ganun. Ay, Louie, gawin mo nga yung bubbles dito.
Okay, wait. Okay. Ollie, do you want bubbles?
Bubbles.
Ang ganda dito, guys, oh. Tignan nyo, oh.
Dito lang sa
Nakaka-relax.
over.
Ganda.
Ganun. Oh, yun oh.
Then she will spit.
Again. Bubbles.
Why did he have to go in this time of the month?
Galing oh.
Sino yung na-float?
Hindi ba malalim?
I should
Ang yabang na.
eat yellow and white at the same time. Like one side is yellow, one side.
Because the other is fake. The other is...
How do you make fake?
What do you mean fake?
Ang galing naman ni
lost your
Oli. Ay, naku, lamok.
May bridge.
Huh? What's that?
Nakakatakot naman lamok dito. Ang laki. Oops! Yay! Water! It's okay.
Swim! Galing mag-swim!
She's so good!
Ang tapang oh. Abaw.
Babaw daw, babaw.
What?
Mommy, look, I'm a chicken.
Chicken. Two. Oh, that's a
Ang yabang na.
Hindi na talaga siya takot. Oh.
How about when I'm 12, I will have swimming lessons?
All done. All done. Nasa dulo na daw siya eh.
Oh!
It's okay.
Swim.
Louie, wag ka sumigaw. Baka matakot. What?
I thought she's not scared now.
Swim. Ganun. Swimming.
Oli! Ang galing ah. 2, 3, smile. Ayaw niya kasama si Louie.
Okay,
Okay, the big pool is much more.
how deep is the big pool? How deep is the big pool?
Farmer done.
How deep is the big pool?
Like very, 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 very deep.
Okay, I can go there.
That's not how you do it.
Oli!
Whatever.
Bye. All done. Bye.
Swimming.
Diana.
Ay, nagtatry
That's
din
what I
siya.
did.
Oh, yabang no. Kahit siya lang mag-isa, oh.
Has to be in the water, not out the water.
Like this.
What?
Hindi siya nilalamig.
Nilalamig.
Pero buti hindi nagpo-purple, no? Si Louie no nagpo-purple agad eh.
I don't know how to
Oh, naglalaro.
Oh, yabang talaga. Sis. Tatawa pa. Picture! Oli!
Splash, yan. Splash.
1, 2, 3.
Splash.
Jesus!
Ah,
Peace.
peace.
Cute. Peace! Peace! Nanginginig.
Tama na,
Say
tama na.
A.
Ah, tama na.
Daddy, what up?
1, 2, 3, picture. Smile. One more. Smile. Ang ganda dito, oh.
Ito na. 8 or 9.
Yes!
8 or 9.
Birthday, swimming lessons.
Oh, swimming.
9.
Oh, swimming.
9.
Oh, galing ah, swimming.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, galing
Three
ah.
votes against
Swimming.
2.
What?
So the majority
Oy,
wins.
oy. Swimming. Oh, oh, di natatakot oh.
Huwag mo bitawan.
Wait, I have to be relaxed.
Galing ah, appear. Nag-swim. Oh, galing. Swimming ulit, swimming.
1, 2, 3. Siya pa nagbibilang. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, galing ah, swimming.
Adopted.
Oh, swimming siya oh. Oh,
Uy, ang galing.
What? Don't touch the bug.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Ollie wants to rain, 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 go away.
Umuulan?
Ah, it's raining.
So, yun, sobrang dami na rin nilang amenities dito, guys. Meron din silang gym. Alam ko may golf din dito eh. Tapos ito ay table tennis. Ito yung gym. Check out na kami, guys. So, yan, try nyo dito sa Damandala Nook. Dito sa Tagaytay. Splendido. Thank you so much.
Ang dinabuhan.
Kain lang kami dito, guys. Crispy pata, bulalo. Inihaw na pusit, tapos ensaladang mangga. Bagoong rice.